This multi-million-dollar illegal pot bust in Lincoln County has led to 3 arrests. Take a look. Authorities seized nearly 8,800 pounds of marijuana worth more than $7.8 million. It was found in the remote wilderness. A hunter tipped off authorities in February. Nevada State Police conducted surveillance and found it was a historic grow site that was once again active. Nevada State Police say illegal grows can be highly toxic due to the pesticides. If you do see an illegal grow, you can contact Nevada State Police's Investigation Division.
Give it gas when I'm dipping, competition getting past, living fast, furious, staying on track, never worry when I'm spinning. Last better get in back, ride from a dog, alphabeted on us, you gon' get it back. Never split this pack. Whenever I witness cap, we ain't fucking with your fiction, facts, your conviction lacks. When I get up in my bag, I'ma spend, we ain't tripping off tax, clipping this tag, working on my wish list, cooking this cake. Let me flip this stack. You a flash in the pan, while you relaxing a can. My team in the pack, this sedan, putting tracks in the sand, pushing my craft at the fan, got the people all clapping their hands, putting cash in my brand, keeping my octane high, my graded premium, not 8-9 or 8-7, and when I run across state line, I'm 9-1, I gun it, clock great time when time come, disappearing in the dark horizon, way I cut turns, I'm as sharp as diamonds, got them on tilt like a car's alignment, this is raw refinement, not a hard assignment, I'ma give it gas, give it gas, bitch.
Said Blood Dragon got a video out. Y'all know to go check out the big homie over on his YouTube channel. It's the big homie Blood Dragon. Go just check it out. Dragoon. Yeah, Blood Dragoon. You know how to spell it because it's exactly how it sounds. You dig? That's all our videos for the day, but y'all still know we got to do some things. We got to make sure y'all go check out the Rumble. And for the people that are watching it on Rumble, y'all already know, go check out the YouTube. You dig? Depending on where you watching it at. Hell, because, you know, it's your assignment to cross-thread. You'd rather see the studio quality and how that looks over there on Rumble, that's what you get over there. If you'd rather do the vertical on YouTube, because, you know, you starting off watching stuff on YouTube, now we're trying to get y'all to move to Rumble. You dig? If your people ain't on Rumble, let them know they should be, right? Hey, I prefer to watch this on Rumble, because YouTube is kind of, you know, YouTube-ish. That way you might get to actually know people for real on Rumble. You know, freedom of speech. You ain't got to worry about the censorship part of it. You dig? You can go ahead and say that bullshit you want to say, because you're Rumble ready. You dig? But anyways, let's see. Let me stop the Rumble video, because ain't no point of recording for Rumble if they can't see what I'm doing, because we done with that part of the video. They got to see the videos. Y'all get to go see the green room. You dig? And that way they already know to come check out the YouTube video, because they'll be like, well, he don't be showing us plants, but the plants be in the slides. Hey, yeah, you got to see the YouTube version, because we on the cell phone now, and then you'll get to see this part. You see what I'm saying? What's it look like it's doing? And some of those might make it, some of them might not. Some of them starting to turn yellow, so that means they might not even go. But hell, we